Hi everybody. I would like to do a vocal review of the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway, located in the city of Palm Springs in Southern California. Hi everybody. I'm here at the Aerial Tramway and we're waiting to board. That's where we're gonna be departing from, is the departing point right there. That's where the Aerial Tramway takes off, and it's gonna go all the way up to the top right there. There's the Tramway History Museum. Here's the this is the cam right here, and that's the cable. That cable must be 2 inches in diameter, it looks like. Miss Tramway patches in 1986.
So I imagine every time I had to fix something.
Wow. That's the cable wire there. Jeez. Is that the cable wire? I think it is. It's very thick. Yeah, track rope. 2 sets of track ropes totaling over 10 miles of cable. The smaller is 1 7/8 inch in diameter, the other 1.5 millimeter larger. Wow, these track ropes are huge. So we are boarding right now. There's a boarding area right there. There's the waiting area for the boarding. Wow, what a view, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is beautiful. Very nice. Boarding right now. Here's a picture of bighorn sheep. Look at the cable. So thick. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Very impressive. We're just about to board the tramway here. And this is the final waiting area for boarding. And we're boarding the tramway here. Just walking out onto the platform.
Slide it back and forth, so please watch your balance. While start the floor rotation, only the floor will move, not the handrails along the side of the center where I'm standing. In approximately
We just left the station, elevation of 2,643 feet from sea, and in some 11 minutes, step out into a completely different environment. The high temperature,
That is cool. It's going up pretty quick here.
and an elevation of 8,516 feet from sea. We'll travel over 2.5 miles of cable by 12 miles. At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler. The water
Wow.
and the trees,
There's a
flowers,
40 degrees difference from the bottom to the top.
The tallest is 127 feet, much the same as a 21-story building. It's the all other towers.
Look at that.
We're now high over Senior Field.
It goes pretty fast. It feels like a roller coaster, man. Jeez.
Streams flow year-round. The canyon has an abundance of vegetation, including sycamore, cotton, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine. west or south of the Tramway by the Von Roll Company of Bern, Switzerland. All moving parts and cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American-made. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables that support movement and communication of the Tramway. The largest of these are the track cables upon which we ride. While it appears that the downward car is traveling faster than the car, it's actually moving because both cars are tied together by the hauling cables, which move with the car. You see, the guard system at the balance station is pulling that car down, and in turn, the two cars.
That was a pretty large swing there.
It is between towers 3 and 4 that we reach the longest span of the pyramid. The cables stretch for more than half a mile. Often, is one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip. The majestic spire.
It's gonna pick it up.
Visible as a solid granite core. As we continue, the light zone changes.
How high up we are.
You'll see a variety of pine trees, including pinyon, a big blue lodge pole. Natural residents like the include deer, mountain lion, fox, bobcat, raccoon, and the California gray squirrel.
It's a really cool breeze up here. Like I said, the temperature difference is about 40 degrees. So up here, down there it was almost 100. Up here it's like around 60. So it feels like an air conditioning up here.
And the Tramway travels in Bermuda at 11,496 feet, the tallest mountain in Southern California. We are nearing the end of our journey now.
We're reaching the top here.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the mountain station, 8,516. Please continue to watch your balance as we go on the dock.
8,516 feet.
Here a little bit. Everybody go directly inside the building. You'll enter on the second level. Right above us on the third floor is access to food, drinks, and viewing decks. First floor is exit out to the state park. We are departing every 15 minutes. Last car down tonight is 9:30. That's a car you don't want to miss. If you do though, don't worry, we're here tomorrow.
We're disembarking right now. We're at the top. Cool. Wow, look at that. This is the top station here. Station at the top. Wow, up here is a totally different landscape. It's high alpine mountain landscape. It's almost as if you're in Flagstaff at 8,500 square feet. Sorry, 8,500 feet. So it's cooler up here too. It's only like around low 60s. In the winter, it must be freezing up here. Very impressive. Totally different landscape. Up here is mostly conifer trees. It's a conifer forest. There are people going down there to hike. Because it's a lot cooler up here. It's really nice here in the summer. Very comfortable temperature. Hey, we are heading down now.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you had a great time. We start in the floor rotation as soon as we get on our way.
Alright, yes, we are heading down. Wow. It's so cool up here, the temperature wise. It's about, like I said, low 60s, and we're gonna, by the time we get down there, it'll be close to 100.
Welcome aboard.
Ooh, some parts feel like you're on a roller coaster.
You see below you the desert city? Right ahead. Is the city highway 62. Closer to
Oh, by the way, this the cart rotates. It's going down, it's rotating at the same time. Whoa, oh my goodness. Feels like you're on the pirate ship at the amusement park when it passes the station. Wow, look at that.
Enjoy the view.
It's a great tour.
You got really nice breeze here. Very comfortable.
Okay, a todos les echan.
Oh my goodness. That was a pirate ship experience right there. Jeez.
Es que parece que ajá, pero
Hay otra, hay otra.
That's right. Not a pirate ship experience.
always come around and get it.
green area right there. It must be where maybe there's a small stream flowing down there in that direction. Very lush down there. This trolley rotates, so you just stand in one place and it just turns.
800 gallons of water now, depending on how many guests. We'll be pulling into the Valley Station dock in a few minutes. We know that you're taking with you memories of great adventures. Visit the state park that encompasses 13,000 acres of skyline, 50 miles of hiking trails, and 6 depending on the time of year you visit. You could see the all Mount nearby 40 miles back. The cat of the bobcat to maybe a mountain lion or a coyote. All there.
Wonderful rest of your day.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Coming into land. Okay, so we're gonna take the bus back to our parking lot F. It has been a very worthwhile trip. The ticket cost $30 per person, but it was definitely worth it. We got to experience the amazing change in elevation as we headed up to the top. We noticed the vegetation, the trees, the landscape changed dramatically. The climate got a lot cooler, so it was quite an experience to be able to experience that extreme variations in the same spot, pretty much in the same location. So that was very rewarding there. Highly recommend it if you ever get a chance to be in the Southern California area, especially the Palm Springs area. Highly recommend to try the aerial tramway. It's gonna be quite an experience. All right, checking out. Bye.